My son was born in 2016, and that Diwali newspaper report said that newborn would be smoking 30 cigarettes worth of pollution. So that shook my conscience.
I have seen you through the course of the winter session turn up to Parliament with masks on, trying to raise the issue. Why have you failed in raising up the issue of pollution in Parliament today?
The question is why the Parliament has not discussed this issue in this session. Every session I've been putting up a notice. 2017, I also introduced a private member's bill called Clean Air Act, but the government did not accept it. When the people in the stadiums are chanting AQI, AQI, why the ruling party MPs inside Parliament are chanting BJP, BJP? Why can't this be a discussion? Yesterday's AQI in my hometown of Rohtak लिखा है कि देश में रोहतक सबसे प्रदूषित है, मतलब दिल्ली से भी ज़्यादा. दिल्ली yesterday was 334, रोहतक was 385.
Why do you think our top governing body are not bothered by it?
It's never been a priority with the government because it's not the most important political issue. As far as people are not voting on this issue. I'll tell you, I'll go back, my son was born in 2016, and that Diwali I looked at the newspaper report, and that report said that, the next day to Diwali, anybody even the newborn would be smoking 30 cigarettes worth of, inhaling that much worth of pollution. So that shook my conscience. So I am talking not just a Congress, a member of parliament or a political party. I am talking on behalf of all the parents, the fathers and mothers in Haryana, in Delhi, in NCR, other cities.
You're right that you've consistently raised the issue. You're educating people, you're asking the government.
I had proposed that just like NCR Planning Board, that board has a lot of funding. A similar board is constituted, which is chaired by the Minister of Environment as the chairman, overseen by the Prime Minister himself, with all the chief ministers as members of that board. Right now what happens is every winter, Delhi is blaming Haryana, Haryana is blaming Punjab, Punjab is blaming Aam Admi is blaming Congress, BJP. We are all blaming each other.
And no, but this year there is no blame game. This year there is no talk only.